Good morning and welcome to a new class. Today we are going to work with have to and has to for obligation and don't have to and doesn't have to for not necessary, ¿ok? Chicos, buenos días. El día de hoy vamos a trabajar con el have to y has to cuando hablamos de obligaciones y con don't have to y doesn't have to cuando hablamos de algo que no es necesario, ¿ok? So look at here. Here we have to and has to. What means tener que, ¿no? Es un deber, es algo que yo tengo que hacer. So, for obligation. Entonces lo vamos a relacionar cuando es una obligación. In affirmative, we use have to when the pronoun is I, you, we, or they. Cuando mis pronombres son I, you, we, they, o sea, yo, tú, nosotros o ellos, usamos have to. Has to for he, she, and it. Y cuando hablo de él, ella o esto, esta, usamos has to. Okay, here we have some examples. Okay, number 1, you send an email. Okay, we are going to remember you what? You have to. Okay, you have to. You have to send an email. Tú tienes que enviar un correo, ¿no? Number 2, what is I? Excellent. I have to work. Excellent. What about number 3? He, very good. He has to. Excellent. He has to be at the office, okay? Remember that these are obligations, okay? Number 4, she, excellent, has to. Okay, what I want you to do is to complete these two exercises and then we are going to check. Okay, let's check. 5, they have to use a book for the class. Very good. Number 6, you have to come home. Okay, these are have to and has to in affirmative. Let's go by here. When it's negative, that is going to mean that it's not necessary. Okay, aquí cuando hablamos de negativo, en have to o doesn't have to or don't have to, me está indicando que no es necesario realizar esta acción. Okay, and the rule is the same. La regla es la misma. I, you, we, they don't have to. He, she, it doesn't have to. Okay, let's go to the examples. Number 1, what is the negative for I? Very good. I don't have to. Don't have to. Okay, what about number 2? She doesn't what? Have to. Very good. She doesn't have to copy all the classes. Very good. What about number 3? They, excellent. They don't have to leave the hotel now. Okay, what I want you to do is to solve these two exercises and then we are going to check. Okay, number 4, he doesn't have to buy more books. Very good. Let's go to number 5. You don't have to work on Sunday. Okay, now let's continue with this activity. Here says circle the correct words. Okay, what you have to do is to read the sentences and decide. For example, here says we has to or we have to. What do you think is the answer? Yes, have to. So what I want you to do is the same, circle the correct answer and then we check. Okay, now letter B, Emma has to go to the studio. Okay. Letter C, Jay doesn't have to wait for Emma. Good. And letter D, he has to help Larry. Okay, class, that was the review about have to, has to, don't have to, and doesn't have to. You have to copy this on your notebook. And thank you very much. See you soon. Muy bien, chicos, este fue el repaso de have to, has to para obligación y don't have to, doesn't have to, cuando no es necesario realizar alguna acción. Van a copiar eso en su cuaderno. Eso es todo y muchas gracias. Nos vemos pronto.